because it says that Allah Aman is so beautiful. But if you're in the welding industry, or if you're a mechanic, or if you own a workshop, or if you're into engineering, what I am about to show you, you are going to be absolutely amazed with. And I wish I could show you the situation now and the situation in 12 months time when this vehicle is repaired. Take a look at this. So Abdurrahman tells me that this is a Suzuki Swift with the name of Muhammad Saleh. And take a look at this. I don't know how much you can see in the blazing sunshine. So I love driving in my car. It's not quite a Jaguar. I brought it from Primrose Hill, from Amman, from Brazil. It was made in '59 by a factory of its time. I love driving to Meswell Hill when I go down the hill. Hey, look at this. Woo. Would you be able to, wow, polish this? Ta-da. Wow. Suzuki. Come on then, driving instructor sahib. देखिए पीछे ना नोट चाहते ड्राइविंग संग है सुभान अल्लाह दा हो गए दा हो गए ओरिजिनल टेप देखा देखिए ब्यावरी लाट छपी खबर त कमी स्टोर माल राउला ताजा ताजा गुलना दे सलोर माल राउला. So he goes on with the second. Here we go. Aha, that was it. Oh. What's for Draz I'm going to break my bones at this rate. So when you come into the car, first of all, make sure that doors are closed. Make sure your doors are not locked and they are closed. The doors definitely closed. Adjust my seat. Seat ko pakishtayna, so sanga bhi adjust kama. Make sure I can reach my steering. And I definitely can't reach the steering because I'm sat about 5 miles too far. So let's go forward a little bit. Whoops. And now so if I try to adjust my seat, so seat staying and so I just can't be sanga. So my door's done, my seat's done. Seat belt kopakishtaina, so forget the seat belt. So I've done the doors, the seat, the steering. There's no seat belt, and now I've got to adjust the mirror. Wait. Oh, look at that. So I can see at the back, and to the left and to the right, with a minimum of head movement, and I haven't even got a seat, let alone head movement. Okay, check that the handbrake is on. Handbrake on, I think it's on. Yeah, it's definitely on. And check that the gear lever is in neutral. I didn't even touch that. Garumachi. Okay, so let's check. Can I reach the... I'm not sure if the wipers are... They haven't even got any wipers. Oh, there you go. It's a clicking sound at least. And there's no control on the left-hand side. So handbrake's on, gear lever's in neutral. Let's check for the ignition. Oh, it's over here somewhere. So, so they're likely to repair this. Wow. Tabu Samai. Ay Taruna Hazim Khana ala Taruna Sam Kaiwa. Where's my electrician? Da gaadi ko rais na may risto kana. No remote control sa may ay the bawol kana right hand side mani. No ba da Khyber door khulawi. Aj Khyber remote control ke no ba Sajay door chagan khulawi. Anyway, let's go down here. Now we're gonna got the accelerator, brake and clutch then a mat good day ka brake istemal hoy no pedal ba bilkul gaadi ki right to the floor, subhanallah. And now for the next mission to the gaadi kan usi sanga wa yaad agar awal khalas chappali lad. Oh well, at least I've got always got half a tank of fuel. That's interesting. Probably hasn't got half a tank of fuel. Anyway, usse then crane pakar de to gaadi kan uzum sanga. Oh my god. Oh, no. I'm stuck. Shlum. Well, at least I did the cockpit drill and I was sat on this thing here. Oh my god. So, at least I attempted to do the cockpit drill. So I'm able to reach all the foot controls, all the hand controls, see the road ahead clearly, and definitely not see the road at the back. Because Koshish kam ke gaadi rinzam karna to bahut khisham. Wow, look at this. SubhanAllah. I love driving in my car. Oh no, let's have a look at the engine. Oh, well, here we go. Look. So open the bonnet, is it that way? Oh, SubhanAllah. Yeah, it's a Haida engine the gaadi. And there is the engine, except engine nishte de. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I don't know if you can see there, but there's at the tip of my finger, there's a spider living in the engine. So could you please identify where you would find the windscreen washer reservoir? Yes, I could, it's here. And could you tell me how you could identify whether there is enough water in the reservoir? Well, if you look right down there, there's definitely no water in that reservoir. And could you identify the brake fluid? Is that the brake fluid? Oh, there's some fluid. It looks more like shit, but wow. Haran hota khala idle ha plam plam.
Lot of female haran le.
Idogra sa ta ek engine safa koli no lirum pakiste. Anyway, engine chedan dalta nishte engine chedan de gaadi wale ade aga ke lagolle. Oh my god. Abdul Rahman Allah gaadi England rawalu by road se dikhal le. Asi mugra batyani khone di pakari di. Hey, look at this. Now it's got tire tread. Subhanallah. Ada chedan air condition the para zache engine garam shinu baad maad lagi. Oh, and here we go. Oh, and it closes neatly, really. I love driving in my car. It's not quite a Jaguar. A khazana aidakha. This is the bank. Dilta tole paise chedan upati. Oh, and look, it's got a twin exhaust. Anyway, at least it's got an exhaust. Look, the runawani grip khushte. So, how much is the car worth? Would you like to buy the car? So, Rawa Susarak man engine pa kiwacho England le Rarawan ku customs and excise wagera piuku, and I keep getting a crowd. I chedan balruru idalo assalamu alaikum. Sanga hal bhai. Tabiyat khairiyat sare. MashaAllah. So I've no idea who that was, but he's decided to come and say hello. So, like good, nice, polite people who said hello, and it's time to gently leave. So, do you like a car? Is the car the biggest investment that you have in your life? Hey up, I'm gaining a crowd as well. It is Tez Raftar, mashallah, and on the back here he has there's a girly whirly. Salaam alaikum. Sasa namada? Ziaullah. Ziaullah churta rawani. چرته زی لاهور له دومره لري چوټه لاهور چرته دی لا او سوابای چوټه لاهور یو دی لاهور ته دی بل چې در موږ پته نشته And that was the story of the car.